Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to create supplier in VT transaction. Same way, how to create purchase invoice in VT transaction. So for supplier, you have to click here, okay, and you will get a list of the supplier. Fine, as of now, I don't have any supplier, so I can create from set up a new supplier option. Now I have to enter the basic details of the supplier. For example, I am just entering a detail of booker. Now you have to enter contact, addresses, then credit terms, then VAT details, okay, VAT status. Same way you can also enter VAT number and all, then bank details and any other notes. Okay, so as you can see, our supplier, fine. Now once you click here, you will get the supplier wise ledger, okay, of previous year, current year, future year, all entries. Fine. So this is the one way by which you can create a supplier. Now let's create a purchase bill. So you can enter purchase bill from here. Same way, once you go into the transaction menu, you will get purchase invoice option here. Okay, so both options are same. Fine, as you can see here. Now you can also set up a new supplier from here. So this would be far better if you can create supplier at the time of creating purchase invoice. Okay, as you can see, same way you can set properties of the supplier like other details. Same way you can also delete the supplier from here. Fine. Let's delete this one and let's create a purchase invoice of booker. So my reference number, fine. Now I am going to change the date. Then after you can enter supplier invoice number or any details. Then you have to enter here gross amount and you have to select VAT and net will be calculated accordingly. Now you have to select here group and ledger. Now I am entering purchase, so cost of sales, and in cost of sales I'll select purchase here. Now you can enter any kind of narration here. Okay, same way you can insert new row, or if you want to delete a row, same way you can delete the row. Now you can also set credit terms from here, same way type of purchase, okay, and any other note if you want to add, you can add from here. Now let's save this purchase bill. Okay, so my purchase bill has been saved, and the same I can access from here. Booker, just double click here, you will get this kind of display. Okay, so this one is ledger of booker, and you can see the purchase invoice. Now once you click on the reference PIN 0001, so you can see, you can edit the transaction, you can delete the transaction. Okay, you can raise credit note. Fine, you can do all the stuff from here. So I'm going to explain all the things in detail in next videos. Okay, and same will be appear on this display. Okay, so once you click here, you will get the same window. Okay, of purchase invoice. Once you click on booker, then you will get ledger of booker, and once you click on purchases, then you will get purchase ledger here. Okay, so in this way we can create supplier, we can delete and modify supplier, and in the same way we can also create purchase invoice in VT transactions. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.